I'm a director responsible for production services delivery across BizTech. We in BizTech support some of the most important services, enabling Guidewire to support our external customers. On top of that, I'm managing a team inside infrastructure responsible for operations and managing some of the infrastructure services. Also here in EMEA and based in Dublin, so I'm representing BizTech in EMEA, working with our partners and working with our people located here. The most important one is uptime of our services, and we are green across all areas. Now, my team and engineers that I work with, we provide operational support. However, we deliver projects as well. One of the most important projects, arguably for the whole BizTech, was introduction of Datadog. Datadog was introduced with some other business units before us. So in order to align with others, we decided to do it at the end of the last calendar year. So it was supposed to replace an existing tool, which wasn't as secure as we would like to. It proved to be even better solution with additional options and ability to monitor not just infrastructure, but also applications and parts of a cloud SaaS solutions. And there were some very innovative solutions developed by my team, which was incorporated in Datadog. And today we are much better positioned because we are able to not just monitor, but also to preempt outages and to have everything covered with our monitoring. Apart from that, another project was quite important for this organization. There is a tool, it's a new type of tool called SSPM, which is a SaaS security posture management type of tool. And tool itself is called AppOmni. It was introduced earlier in this calendar year in Q3, and it gave us ability to monitor security posture of all our important SaaS services. At the moment, we are running with 4 modules. The plan is to expand to all our T0 services and to ensure that our organization is safe. Industry, there are so many evolving trends that are quite important for our organization, and things are changing so quickly. But the most important one that we all need to be responsible for and to make sure we understand it as good as we can is the security. And my team and myself spend a lot of time working with our colleagues across InfoSec and SecOps and other parts of the organization to ensure that our environments are secure. In today's world, the zero-day vulnerabilities are becoming a part of our life, and we are able now to react quickly and to ensure that all our environments are safe. Apart from that, obviously, cloud is omnipresent. We do not just use AWS, we use various SaaS solutions, and our engineers are constantly their skills are getting improved in order to be able to support them. And another important trend that we all need to follow is automation. We need to ensure that our engineers spend time not carrying out mundane tasks, but to do some more innovative, more interesting work to develop their careers. And John Wooden, who's arguably the most successful basketball coach of all time, one of the greatest of all small coaches, his philosophy is quite simple. He always asks his player to pay attention to small little details, to work hard in training sessions, and to get focused on a journey. And then the goal will come on its own. There's an opportunity to play and coach basketball. I've been playing since I was a little kid, but recently in the last few years, coaching is my main focus. In this season, just coming season, I'll be coaching under 18 teams, so a bunch of teenagers, including my son. And it's quite interesting. It's a volunteering role. It's quite fulfilling role. So in terms of supporting teams, I always support local teams. And for that reason, I'm sure I cause controversy across BizTech and probably other parts of Guidewire that I have to support Denver Nuggets because their best player, who's MVP Jokic, played for my original club. Now I heard even today that I can be an adopted fan of Warriors and their champions, so it's a good feeling as well. On a serious note, sport coaching is quite similar to actually to managing people in the proper industry and business. Only the main difference is in sport, everything happens so fast. One season is probably equivalent to 5 to 10 years in business terms. But essentially, it's the same thing. We need to understand our team and our people. We need to have empathy. And we need to learn when we win to analyze those wins, not just take them for granted, to see what was good, what went wrong. As well as that, we need to learn how to live. If we lose a game in a sport, we need to come back the following week. As business is similar, we need to learn from our mistakes, to try to fix them and to achieve goals despite of them.